Hi, welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Infiniti and I am an independent Christian crochet and knitwear designer. That is a mouthful. Anyway, I have been crocheting for about 13 years and then I've been knitting for about 11 years because it took me a couple years to get my sea legs with that craft. Long story. But anyway, I have been independently publishing my designs to the interwebs since about 2017, and in that time, okay, it's been about 9 years now, so in that time I've released about 40 plus different designs. And you know, this series, because this video is considered the pilot episode to a series that I have long retired, and it used to be called Infiniti's Craft Corner or something like along those lines. But anyway, I used to, when I would complete a pattern and the testing for it, I would come on and talk about some of the thinking behind it. I would go over material lists and just kind of put more life and depth into my designs for the people who might want to make it. And now, a few years later, I have been thinking about this topic kind of constantly because it's really difficult to cut through the noise on social media. Everybody has something coming out or going on, and so I was hoping with these videos that maybe I get to shed a new light on some of my pattern library. Now, I do post quite a few free patterns on my blog. You can exclusively find my paid written patterns in my handmade shop, which is on my website, linked in the description box. And then some of my designs are Pattern Club exclusive, because I do have a pattern club. It is called Hey Craftapreneur, and there are 3 different tiers to that, but I'll post the video about that particular thing at the end of this video. So like I said, I have over 40 designs out there in the world, and not all of them have had their grand day in the sun, and I think maybe not all of them deserve one, but they're all gonna get one eventually. And so I hope you guys enjoy this ride along. Some of these patterns have been updated over the years to include video tutorials in them. Usually that's a feature of my paid patterns as I've gone through to upgrade them, but that's another perk of my Hey Craftapreneur members. Just saying. So if you're not already, please subscribe. Maybe hype this video if you're seeing it in the first 7 days to help get more eyeballs on it. I'm looking forward to going on this adventure with all of you. And apparently my kittens are too. They have become like a feature of the studio at this point, and if I'm not giving them my constant love and attention, they will destroy everything I hold dear. Anywho, I can't wait to see you guys in the next video, and until then, happy baking. Before you go, Yuki thinks that you should watch this video next.